In this tutorial, we are finalizing the accounts payable module, so stay tuned. This tutorial will include the following: adding a permanent entry and posting a permanent entry. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are focusing on permanent entries in Syspro's Accounts Payable module. So accounts payable permanent entries is for making fixed amount payments on a specific day of the month for certain contracts. So right now we're going to start by adding a permanent entry. So we're going to start by going to accounts payable, and we're going to go to setup, and we're going to go to AP permanent entries. We're just going to make this bigger, and we're going to enter the day of the month which the payment is going to go through. So we're going to say the 25th, and we're going to tap off to enter supplier code, and we're going to tap off to note that this invoice is for rent, and we're going to tap off all the way to the invoice amount in supplier's currency. Okay, and we're going to tap all the way to the reference. We're going to say rent, and we're going to tap off to narration, where we're going to say rent for office. And we're going to now enter the ledger code. Okay, and we're going to come all the way to next posting calendar month. We're going to choose the next month, which is the 10th month of the year. The calendar year is already on 2024, and we're going to then save and close the program. And that is how you add a permanent entry. I hope you find this tutorial informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So we're going to start by going to accounts payable. Then we're going to go to invoice processing, and we're going to go to AP permanent entries posting. And we're just going to make this bigger. Okay, and we're going to click on start processing, and we're going to say okay. So this is how it would look like if there aren't any permanent entries that are outstanding. However, if they were permanent entries that are outstanding, you would see the supplier and the supplier name, the invoice, as well as the amount. And when you are done, you can just close the program, and that is how you would post a permanent entry. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.